Most people want to get rich quickly. They look for shortcuts, secret hacks, or the next crypto moonshot. But Robert Kiyosaki says that real wealth doesn't come from luck. It comes from mastering what he calls the 3 E's: education, experience, and excessive cash. Skip any of these and your financial journey becomes a dangerous gamble. But master them and you unlock a roadmap to financial freedom. In this video, we'll break down each E with real-life examples and practical tips you can start using today. The first E is the education, but not the kind you get from a classroom. Kiyosaki often points out that schools teach you how to be an employee, but they rarely teach you how money actually works. Think about it. We learn algebra, history, and science, but not taxes, investing, or how to build wealth. No wonder so many people graduate with debt and little clue how to manage it. That's why Kiyosaki says, the more you know, the less you risk. Financial education lowers your chances of making costly mistakes. What should you learn about finance? Start with the basics. The difference between assets and liabilities, how cash flow works, why debt can be good or dangerous, and how taxes can either drain your wealth or fuel it if you learn the rules. But education without action is like reading about swimming. You won't learn until you jump in the water. That's why the second E is experience. Think about learning to ride a bike. You can read books, watch videos, or hear advice from pros. But until you wobble and fall a few times, you won't find balance. The same is true with money. You don't need millions to gain experience. You can start small. Buy your first stock. Try a side hustle. Maybe invest in a small property deal. The key is to learn cheap lessons. Fail small, fail fast, and fail forward. Because every mistake teaches you more than 1,000 YouTube videos ever could. Kiyosaki himself made bad deals early in his career. But instead of quitting, he treated each failure as tuition. The result? Over time, his experience became his most valuable teacher. Now, with education and experience, you're ready for the third E, excessive cash. This doesn't mean hoarding money in a savings account. It means building strong cash reserves and generating cash flow. Why? Because opportunities don't wait. When the market crashes, the average person panics. But the educated and experienced investor smiles because they have the cash to buy assets at a discount. Think of Warren Buffett's famous saying, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." You can only do that if you have excess cash ready to deploy. Excessive cash is not just money, it's financial confidence. It gives you freedom of choice. Do you want to buy property, start a business, invest in a friend's idea? Without cash, opportunities pass you by. With it, you can build wealth exponentially. Here's the secret. The 3 E's are not separate. They build on each other. Education gives you the map. Experience gives you the compass. Excessive cash gives you the fuel. Imagine trying to travel the world with only a map but no money, or having money but no idea where you're going, or having experience but no resources to act. Wealth is built when all 3 align. That's why skipping 1 E makes the journey almost impossible. So ask yourself, which of the 3 E's are you working on right now? Are you still learning? Are you gaining experience? Or are you building up your cash reserves for future opportunities? Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's a journey. And Robert Kiyosaki's 3 E's are the roadmap. If this video helped you learn something new, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. In the next episode, we'll explore software that suits for small and medium enterprises. Until next time, take care, and let's build financial freedom together.